is make sure you put a new battery in your smoke detector. A good place to buy your batteries is at Sam's Club. If you're in America, you can buy a big pack and then even donate the leftover batteries to your local food bank. So we're going to install the battery now. We're going to put it in. We're going to check them. And on this model, a little red light flashes, and we're going to test it.